Is SEO really that important to your business? Is search engine optimization, ranking on the first or second page of Google or Bing, really that valuable? That's what we're going to discuss today on this edition of BrandVision Marketing's Brand Boost. Also take some questions about SEO in general and other digital marketing components. But I think when it comes to this question of is SEO really that important, I think I know you think what I'm going to say, but keep in mind, BrandVision Marketing works in partnership with our clients. We take an overall marketing budget and use those dollars to accomplish XYZ goals. We're focused on accomplishing the objectives. I don't care where the money goes. We're full service. We can do anything from traditional marketing to digital marketing and so much more in between, from printing, promo items, whatever. So I don't care where the money goes as long as it's going to accomplish the objectives that we've set forth. Digital marketing is typically a strong component of that, and there are a lot of ways to reach today's consumers when they are actively shopping through digital marketing means. SEO is just one of those. Paid search, banner ads, Facebook ads, you name it. The possibilities are literally endless. Now, according to Google, 53% of today's consumers will go online and conduct research before making a buying decision. Of those, 32% are being conducted, 32% of those searches being conducted on Google. It's the top search engine. So with that in mind, exactly how important is it to be ranked among the most popular search engines on those keywords? Well, that greatly depends very much on how you utilize your website. If you use your website as a way to generate leads, as a key component in accomplishing your marketing objectives, then that could be very critical to be on those first two pages. If, however, you use your website essentially as an online brochure, you need an online presence to establish credibility for your company or what have you, any other objectives that aren't necessarily critical in the generating sales aspect, then it may not be as critical. If you're going after keywords, maybe you do use your website to generate leads, and it is critical in the sales process, but you're going after keywords that nobody else in the marketplace is going after, then SEO is probably not going to be that critical of a component for you. However, if you're going after keywords that 30 other competitors in the market are going after, then it does become very important to rank highly and beat those competition, that competition out for those keywords. Now, I'm asked questions all the time about digital marketing and specifically SEO. One being, do we do paid search, pay-per-click, or do we do SEO? And all that is very situational. But look, if you've got a new website, for instance, and it's critical to drive traffic to your site, then early on you may want to include both in your budget. You may want to use SEO as a long-term strategy to get on those first two pages of Google and Bing, and use paid search, which is essentially bidding on keywords to have your listing at the top of the page when the consumer conducts that search. They click on it, your account is charged, and round it goes. Utilizing both of those to drive traffic to the site early, it would be important while that SEO kicks in, because it's going to take time, depending on how competitive the keywords are. It's going to take time to rank on those pages using SEO. So with that in mind, you may want to utilize both early and scale back when the situation allows, when you've hit hit those first 2 pages on Google and Bing. You may be in an industry that relies on paid search consistently, but you'll also want to rank highly in the organic listings as well. So you may be in a situation where you're forced to consider doing both in an ongoing way. So what is SEO? Well, SEO, I get that question a lot. It's ranking highly on those organic listings in page 1, page 2. Keep in mind, there are a lot of different factors, and it changes based on the top dog in the hunt is Google, and they will dictate what is important. Years ago, they shifted into mobile friendliness and responsiveness being a key element of the SEO process, and everyone had to shift gears and make sure their sites were mobile friendly. So we're constantly watching what Google is saying is important as the market leader, and following suit and making sure that we're creating programs that fit those guidelines. Competitors are constantly battling for those keywords, and that's really what SEO is about. It's about creating a program that outmaneuvers your site versus theirs for those positions on the first 2 pages, because let's face it, consumers aren't going 8 pages deep typically when they're looking at the search results. So if you have 15, 30 or more competitors going after the same keywords that you are, you're not just going to put up a website and get there. Not when many of them, not all of them most likely, but many of them are engaged in an SEO program of their own. If you're a plumber and you want to rank highly on affordable plumbers in any town USA, just having a web presence is not going to do it when you're facing hundreds of competitors in the marketplace. So I'm asked about our SEO program, and we have 2 factors that we look at. We look at, first of all, is it local or national in terms of who you're trying to reach? Who are you trying to rank highly with? The local market, or is your market a nationwide market? Second, the number of keywords that you're trying to target. If you get by with 25 versus 150, the cost, of course, would change. It takes time to get on those first 2 pages, but those are the 2 elements that we look at with our program. So we do free SEO audits. If you're curious about how your site is ranking on those top search engines, just send an email to info@brandvisionmarketing.com, and we'll conduct a free SEO audit for you. Just include your website URL, the competitive sites that you're going up against, just name 3 of those, and give us 20, 25 keywords that you're looking to target, and we'll run an SEO audit for you and send that to you by email, and you'll be on your way. So have other questions about SEO, digital marketing, feel free to email me at that address, or go to our website at brandvisionmarketing.com and sign up for a free discovery session. Thanks for watching this edition of BrandVision Marketing's Brand Boost, and have a great day.